Welcome to my newest listing. Today we are in the Cherry Grove neighborhood in Mooresville, North Carolina. This family-friendly lifestyle offers an array of amenities such as a pool, tennis courts, sidewalks, and more. Now to the good part. Welcome to 146 Weeping Spring Drive. This exquisite 5-bedroom, 3 full bath home comes with all the bells and whistles. From porcelain floors to sliding barn doors, new hardwoods, this home has so much to offer. I cannot wait to show you the inside of this home. Let's go check it out.